Hi guys, welcome to another episode of PC Building Series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install RAM onto motherboard. You can get it done in less than 1 minute. The first step, toggle the plastic clip by gently pressing it down. Step 2, make sure to match your RAM notch against the motherboard. 3. Just gently press the RAM onto the motherboard until you hear the snap sound, which is a light sound, and you're done. For most dual channel RAMs, you can either install on the first slot and the third slot, or the slot number 2 or the fourth one. Well, that's it for now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. We will see you guys next time.